Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and you're watching Yazz'n It Up. And today's video is going to be my North Carolina house tour. My family and I, we finally moved into the house and we got the keys to our new house. I'm very excited to start a new journey and a new adventure. So we're gonna get right into it and you're gonna see my house. So when you first walk in, this is what you see. This is obviously an empty house tour since we just moved in. But here on the left, we have a closet. For when guests come in, they can hang their jackets up. We have a few hangers already. And if you look to the right, we actually have the new dining room. We have a nice chandelier here and we have two open windows over there. So our dining room table will be right in the middle. All the walls are white right now because we haven't painted yet, but we'll paint eventually. So standing from the door, we're just gonna keep walking straight. And right over there, this is gonna be our living room. This house is actually really big. It's a blessing that we're able to have this big of a house. So this is gonna be our entire living room. We have 4 windows there, a lot of natural lighting, which I love. We already have a few plants that we brought from the old house, so they're hanging out right there. And this is the kitchen. It's a very open concept house. So we just went shopping, so that's all of the stuff that we bought. We went to Walmart and the dollar store. But this is my new kitchen. This is where I'm gonna be cooking. This is where Yazz'n It Up is gonna become chefing it up over here. New sink, granite top, nice cabinets over here. This is where the refrigerator will be. We already ordered it, so the fridge will be right there. And this is the little butler area. Let me turn the light on. This is the little butler area. This is gonna be where Chocolate Delights is housing. We have some sparkling water there. Ate IHOP for breakfast, so that's leftovers. And right next to the butler pantry is our food pantry. So we actually have all of our groceries from the old house that we brought over here. So also in the kitchen, we have a little breakfast nook, which is underneath that chandelier. We're gonna get a little table, probably like 4 or 5, a little circle table to put underneath here. And this is the door to the backyard here. So because this is a new house, everything's getting built, so we really don't have anything in our backyard. We have the cement square here where Dad can put his grills, but eventually this will become something. So this is what our backyard looks like right now. So like I said, that's the kitchen over there, and then that'll be the living room. So if you turn left, we have upstairs, which we'll get to next. But if you walk down this way, we actually have a little cubby center here where we can hang our jackets, you can hang your bags. We're gonna sit down here if you wanna read a book. So we're gonna put like throw pillows there, and we'll actually each have our own little cubby. So we'll get baskets for that. And then we have our own closet here for our personal jackets as well. Mom's is already hanging up there. We have a half bathroom here. To the right, we have the office, which is completely empty. This will be Mom and Dad's office. Like I said, a lot of natural lighting because there's so many windows. So this is their office. And then next to the bathroom, to the left, is the door to the garage. So when you turn left, when you come up the stairs, there's 2 bedrooms. One of them is mine, which is this one. 2 windows. I'll probably put my desk there. That way I have natural lighting when I do my makeup. Those 5 boxes there are actually makeup right now. We slept here for the night, so I have my pillows there. And my walk-in closet. I already have some stuff hanging. So when I get everything settled in, I want to do a room tour as well. And the other bedroom is Jessica's room. That's just the boiler. But me and Jess are right next to each other, so this is her bedroom. She didn't get to come this time around, so she has nothing in here. But she also has a walk-in closet, which is very nice. She needs a lot of storage. And she has 1 window. The thing that I love about my bedroom is that I have 2 because I love natural lighting. So when we turn left from when we go up the stairs, right over here, we have our own laundry room. The washer and the dryer will be right here. And we actually have a table where you can fold your clothes, and we'll put like the detergent and all that stuff. We'll go over here. This is what our outside looks like. And actually right here, you can plant stuff. So this will be my little project. I want to plant flowers and have it outside of our house because I saw the neighbors do it and it looks so nice. So next to the laundry room is Alyssa's room. She got the biggest bedroom. Hello. So this is her room. She only has one window. She has a walk-in closet, but it's not as deep as Jess and I. But she has a nice little closet here too. So this is her bedroom. So this is gonna be our bathroom here. And the lights on. So this is our bathroom. It's right next to Alyssa's room. We have a double sink. We have a mirror. Hi. Shower, toilet. Very fascinating. Very big bathroom. And this right here is our game room or the lounge, whatever you want to call it. This will be where guests stay. We're gonna have a sofa over here, shelving over here, and a TV over there. This is where all the games are gonna be, the game systems, the Wii, the Switch. Everything's gonna be in here. So this will be definitely a big hangout for when people come over. I'm very excited to design and decorate this part. And then the master bedroom, this is a little hallway to get to mom and dad's room. This is mom and dad's humongous room. Honestly, they deserve it. They work so hard. They did so much to move our family from Pennsylvania all the way to North Carolina, and they never had a master room suite before. So mom and dad, you deserve this one. So their bed is gonna go right here. And this room is humongous. This is like the size of our living room back at home. So their TV will probably go there, and their dresser. They even have their own sitting room where they're also probably gonna put another TV, probably a couple chairs. They have 2 windows, beautiful natural lighting. So they'll do a lot of hanging out in here as well. And then they have their bathroom, which is over here, a humongous bathroom. Ooh. So this is mom and dad's shower. It's really nice. They have their own bathtub. Mom's gonna take some baths. She needs to relax. The toilet is in there. I mean, look at that. They have so much cabinet space too. Double sinks, his and hers. And then this is mom's walk-in closet. Dad gets a little area, but this is mostly mom's. It's so deep. This house is humongous. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You got to see where we started from to where we're at now. It's a huge difference, the house that we lived in into the house that we moved in now. Like I said before, I'm incredibly blessed to be able to move in with my parents and all my sisters that were able to be together and live with them. I thank mom and dad always for working so hard and doing your best to give us the best life that we can have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see another house tour when we're completely moved in and everything's furnished, it might be a few months, but if you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see my room tour, also give this video a thumbs up and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Hope you guys have a great day.